some of these problems you actually want to do them graphically, okay? It doesn't say we have to solve it algebraically. We're going to solve this graphically. So what that means is type this into your calculator, and then we're going to find all the zeros, okay? So I'm going to show you in this problem that most of you should have a TI-84 calculator, and we've been looking at how to find the zeros on that, how to graph it and then calculate the zeros, and that's fine. And here's just another option. You cannot use Desmos during quizzes or the final because it's on a you won't be able to use it because it's on another website, right? But you can certainly use it for speed in homework or in worksheets of the week or whatever, or for practice. So if you go to desmos.com and then hit enter, the first thing it'll say is like, go to start graphing, I think is what it says. So then you get this lovely graph, and Desmos also has a really nice calculator app. All of this is free, and it's a nonprofit, so there's no ads or anything. It's really nice. It's really easy to use. So over here, you'll have a list where you can type in functions. I typed f of x, and then I typed the function in. You can actually type y equals, and I think you can just type the function in. I can't really remember. I usually type something equals. But I think you can just type x to the fourth, etc. Da, 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 da. Okay, so you graph the function, and then you see this function. It graphs pretty quickly, and I think, oh, yeah. I have a touch screen, so I'm just zooming out just by grabbing with 2 fingers on the graph. So that's really nice. You can also zoom in and out using the settings. But so you can see this whole function. Notice it is also a 4th degree function, positive, and then you can see that it crosses that y-axis 4 times. And one of the reasons that I like Desmos so much is because it's so quick to find the intercepts. So look, if you just click on them, it gives you the numbers for the intercepts. So, or for the zeros, right? So it's faster than a TI-84 where you have to do left bound, right bound guess, for every single one. So, it's a nice little program to use. And like, it's something that I use. I don't like carry around a TI-84. I know you're probably surprised, but I don't. So if I have to graph something, I will often pull up Desmos, and I like it. So let's go back to our drawing. I don't want to see that. I want to see this. Okay. So what we would do to solve this problem graphically is just make a quick, not too accurate sketch of the graph. Okay. Good as we can make it. And then we would just put down what these zeros are. So negative 3.468. This one is negative 0.913. This one is 0.799. And this last one is 1.582. Okay, so now it says for our problem, we're just looking for where is the graph greater than 0. Okay, only greater than or bigger than. So we want these 3 intervals. We know that we're going to use all parentheses because of the greater than, it's not greater than or equal to. So we would answer our question, the answer would be negative infinity over to negative 3.468, and then negative 0.913 over to 0.799, and then over to 1.582, comma, infinity, right? So that's the 3 intervals. That's why I like to draw it and actually highlight it so I can see I have the 3 answers that make sense. Probably if you're doing this in homework, it'll tell you what to round to on this type of problem.